All right, pulling up.
All right, so of course we're going to start with COVID. 4 more cases in Jamaica. The total is now 25, but like I said at the top of the show, look, 25, it's 25 more than we'd want to hear, but when you hear across the world that the numbers are 2,700, hundreds of thousands, 25 is not bad, I think.
Yeah.
25 is not bad.
It's not bad, but even, however, Delia, we are a small population. And we said it earlier, unless we are responsible, when you hear stories about bad boy Trevor having a party of 50-something people, pool party, bar, you say to yourself, that 50 could be infected, becomes another 100, another 50, you know what I mean? So we have to be very careful to keep the numbers down.
Yes. I was telling you some, you know, and they've given a detailed history. Some of them have a travel history that include countries that right now have a serious break.
17 were imported.
Yes,
cases.
17 were imported cases. We're looking at people that travel history from places in Europe, in USA, and so we know why that has happened. So, guys, that's part of the reason why they've shut down, you know, the airports.
Borders.
And the borders, because that's important.
Sorry, Delia, very good news in the COVID time is like, you know, when you look internationally, like Messi, you know, these big sporting stars, sportsmen and sportswomen across the world donating money. I hear Messi donated about 1 million euros to help fight the COVID. I'm hoping to hear more of our rich Jamaicans.
Rihanna has done something in Barbados as well.
Yeah.
She's, I think, money towards a respirator or respirators. Our PSOJ here in Jamaica has collectively donated quite a bit.
And you know, my director just asked me how much have I contributed to the fight. So I have spent the last 2 weeks.
Who's that, Prince?
Yes, Prince. So I guess he wants me
Same
to tell
amount
Jamaica.
as him.
Well, actually, a little bit more, because I will tell Jamaica this, Delio. It's an opportunity. We have over 114 children on lockdown in a community. That is more than we can. These are called children who are wards of the state. There's nowhere to send them right now. 35 staff members at Maxwell Park Children's Home committed to leave their own families and lock down for 2 weeks on the ground.
Wow.
I have had to spend every minute raising funds so that we have enough food. We have babies. So we are medicine, Panadol, you know what I'm saying? It is overwhelming when you think about it in that situation. Do we have enough food? Do we have enough water? So all of Jamaica that has come out and helped us already, as I have campaigned and we're all donating, you can come 89 Maxwell Park Avenue. We can't let you in the doors, but drop off any supplies, please. That's what I'm doing to try and help the fight with what I have and trying to
and the
be
producers
careful.
at this time asking ourselves, why did Prince interject?
Yes.
And make the topic card?
But it's true. What are we doing to help the fight? And if you don't have the resources, it is about keeping yourself safe so you can keep the rest of Jamaica safe. All right, what else is going on?
Prince Charles, by the way, has tested positive for COVID-19. So we're seeing more and more people out there testing positive. So everybody has to be careful. COVID doesn't care who you are, what station in life you hold.
Amen.
We have to be careful. And even though we're saying the seniors are more vulnerable, we're seeing more and more children and young people. So everybody needs to be careful. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced a major program for several sectors affected by COVID. We can't get into all of them, but it will include small to medium business enterprises. There is a deferment on student loan payments. They have increased special payments to PATH. Poor Relief Program has received allocations as well. There's a supporting employees with transfer of cash program, and that's for individuals that can verify that they lost employment since March 10, when the first COVID case was confirmed. I wonder if that includes us creatives.
There wasn't a specific thing for us creatives. We could find a way to fall under something. I'm not sure. I've been looking at it as well.
Well,
but
if
the
you
real
lost
thing,
employment, I'm saying, if you had bookings and you have Yeah,
And it's
to
about
me,
verifying those bookings
you
and
had,
saying, look, this
yeah.
is my calendar. These were the people who had booked me. They've canceled it. But it's not only that, it's potential earning. Because even though you were booked, normally you would earn this amount of money or gigs
Right.
per month. So the projection is that you'll have none for 6 months. So that's something that we have to look at. But this is a time to show you how when being registered as well and being in the system and paying tax and having some kind of formal agreement will benefit you quicker than being, what do you call it? What's the term for
Informal.
it? Informal. Yes, thank you. I did hear the minister say that.
My challenge, though, and I agree, it will force people to become a little bit more formalized, but for those who are not, that are still businesses and that need support, what's going to happen? But
I think they're looking for something.
Look, man, COVID is work in progress.
Yeah.
It's like every morning they have to get up and say, this is what we're going to have to do. This is what we're going to have to do. The Olympics, as you all may or may not know, has been postponed.
Yeah.
And so they're now having discussion. Where do we go from here? It says no later than summer 2021. That's the new timeline. We talk about all the sectors that have been affected, and this is a major blow for athletes. This is their earning potential when it comes to the World Championships and the Diamond Leagues. And the fact that they have not been able to go will also impact them greatly. They've been training, they've been preparing mentally, physically, but it's just a blow to everyone.
Yeah.
I think the only time we would have seen something like this is during the World Wars. So COVID is no joke. People who still walking around thinking COVID is a hoax or it's a joke, get yourself together. They don't cancel the Olympics for a joke.
They've never, or they...
World War.
I mean,
World
is that where we are? Front page of the newspaper, The Gleaner today, police station bars remain open. We are begging you all, close down the bars. Cops in high spirits breach PM's order with impunity. Front page of The Gleaner. Come on, let's lead by example. Come on. Anyway.
When I say police bars.
Delia, I hear that there's some... At 5 p.m. yesterday, the Matilda's Corner Police Station in Ligony was in full swing with cops in high spirits in the company of the bartender. I will...
This is the bar at the station. It's like their sports club.
I'm reading what's on the front page. I haven't been there.